What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Hector the GOAT. It used to be Hector Too Nice, but now it's Hector the GOAT. So as y'all can see from the title, my baby right here. Hold on, let me switch so you guys can see. But yeah, it's a Honda Civic EG with a prelude motor. My bad, prelude. As you guys can see from the TikTok videos, if you guys don't have me on TikTok videos, this is a 12-1 car, 12-second car. It has B16 tranny. Let me just open the door for you guys. It's kind of dirty right now. It's gutted all the way. It's a V8 color. Watch people get mad on the comments though. With VMS wheels. And I forgot YCP spoiler. Yes, sir. Right now it's misfiring because of a Honda issue. I gotta get that sent out and get it fixed. And after that, hopefully it can work right after I get it sent and get it all hooked up again. Hopefully it starts to not misfire again, but let me just turn it on for you guys so you guys can see. It used to not turn on the fuel pump, now it does. My uncle fixed all that because it wouldn't turn on. Let me make sure. It starts to misfire in a couple minutes or a couple seconds. See how it misfires? Yeah, it's misfiring really bad, really bad. I gotta get the Honda fixed. Yeah. But this is literally it. Hopefully we can go. Oh, and the clutch was missing, slipping. It was slipping, I think, last year. We just got it fixed. We got to put an Iron Man clutch in it. And yeah, let's see what it do in the track. Hopefully I want my 11.8s, 11.9s, so I'll be cool with that. And then hopefully in a couple years I can go 4-piston head and all that. Turbo though, I'm going B series now after this. Yeah, H series, baby. E85. It got spring and retainers. Spring and retainer, I think yeah, it's pretty much. And the E85, and it's making 277 on E85 with a 50 shot of nitrous. I don't have the nitrous hooked up right now, so, but it goes back there. VMS with the R888s. They're literally still brand new. You can literally see the line right there still brand new. Brand new VMS. I need to wash this car. I haven't been washing it. And I think I might repaint it yellow. Type R yellow. What you guys think? Should I repaint it yellow again? What you guys think? Let me know. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Should I repaint it yellow? All my Honda guys. With NRG seats. NRG. I need to get this hooked up. After this video, I can get it hooked up so I can send the Honda to the Honda company and get it all hooked up, ready, and go. Gives us an 11-second pass this year and racing the streets with some V8s. So yeah. All right, y'all. Thank you for watching, and there's gonna be more to come. So just hit that notification bell, and we're gonna get right to it. All right, y'all.